Now, in a breaking update, what we are reporting of casualties that have been reported because of the rains there. Unfortunately, reports suggesting that 8 people have lost their lives in Delhi NCR. And after the heavy rainfall that has been reported, waterlogging that has been reported, we are told that there are reports coming in of casualties that have now been reported because of yesterday's rains in the national capital and the area around it. Let me go across to Sabyasachi now. Sabyasachi, casualties being reported.
Well, absolutely. See, casualties are being reported from the national capital. Till now, unfortunately, 8 people have lost their life because of the rains here in the national capital. See, the main question here regarding is the infrastructure, because just few hours of rain has caused havoc here in the national capital. Cars, buses were submerged, were floating in the road, as well as we are seeing that in different hospitals in the national capital, there was waterlogging situation. The OTs were not functional. 3 laborers fell into a pit of under construction in Vasant Vihar. The NDRF team is at the spot. One of them, one of the dead body has been recovered. 2 more people are trapped at the pit. So at this particular time, we are seeing that casualties are reported from different parts of the national capital. On one hand, we are seeing that of the airport, where portion of the roof fell. One person have lost his life in the tragedy. And here in the national capital, yesterday we have seen that several kilometers of huge traffic jam has caused havoc here in the national capital. People were struggling because of the waterlogging situation, and a high-level meeting was also conducted by the Lieutenant Governor as well as the Delhi government, and the Delhi government says that adequate measures has been taken, but the major question arises why pre-hand measures are not being taken by the government to tackle with the situation, because last year as well during the monsoons the national capital had witnessed a similar sort of situation. Yesterday as well, after several hours of raining, we are seeing that the entire national capital was completely choked of waterlogging. Even the water entered the residence of the member of parliaments here in the national capital. So such was the situation, such was the pictures that was continuously coming in. But it is extremely unfortunate that around 8 people have lost their lives so far.
But that's the point there, no, Sabyasachi, because we are just looking at political blame game happening over water that we have seen in the last few weeks. Sometimes there is a water crisis. Sometimes there is so much water that it floods the roads and also causes a havoc in the Aam Aadmi's lives. And this is despite when it comes to they saying that they have taken adequate measures. They blame nature for saying that such kind of rainfall has not been witnessed in decades.
Well, absolutely. See, this was a justification that came in from the Delhi government side, stating that it was the highest rainfall which seen here in the national capital after several years. In fact, when the water entered into some of the Delhi government-run hospital, even water entered into the AIIMS. Now the government has said that because of the excessive rain, the water has entered. But we had seen on pictures how the condition was of the national capital yesterday, where several areas, including the area of the Lutyens Delhi, was underwater. Now the major question arises why year after year same scenario is being witnessed by the national capital. Last year as well, when the waterlogging situation happened, the water was there for quite some days because of the jammed gates of Yamuna. This time around, there has been failure of clearing the sewage water system, which led to the waterlogging situation here in the national capital. All that we are seeing is just putting the blame on the nature, but no adequate step has been taken by the government so far.
Well, that's the point there. Whichever government there has been now putting the blame, that game that has been happening between when it comes to the political parties, but at the end of it, it is the people there on ground who are suffering, either because of water shortage or even because of the rain fury.